These symptoms you've been ignoring might not be random. They could be coming from something living inside your body. Have you ever felt like your stomach is constantly bloated? Your energy is low no matter how much you sleep. You're craving sugar all the time, or you just feel off, and you can't quite explain why. And maybe you've tried everything. You changed your diet. You tried supplements. You told yourself you just need more sleep. But nothing really fixes it, because if that sounds familiar, it might not just be your diet, your stress, or your routine. It could be something deeper. Today, we're talking about something most people don't even think about: parasites. Now, before you panic, take a breath. This is not one of those fear-based videos. We're not doing extreme cleanses. We're not pushing quick fixes. And we're definitely not jumping to conclusions. This is about understanding your body in a smarter way. In this video, you're going to learn the 7 most common warning signs your body might be dealing with parasites, why your gut environment matters more than anything else, and how to naturally support your body in a way that actually makes sense. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'm going to share the biggest mistake people make when trying to deal with parasites, and it actually makes things worse. What are parasites? So first, what exactly are parasites? Parasites are organisms that live in or on your body, and they depend on you to survive. Some are harmless, but others can interfere with digestion, steal nutrients, weaken your immune system, and affect your overall health. And here's what most people don't realize: you don't have to travel somewhere exotic to be exposed. You can encounter parasites through undercooked food, contaminated water, poor food handling, or even everyday environmental exposure. So this isn't just a rare problem. But here's the most important part. It's not just about exposure. It's about your internal environment. Your body is designed to protect you. When your gut is strong, when your immune system is balanced, your body can handle a lot. But when your system is weakened by stress, poor diet, or inflammation, that's when problems can start. And this is where most people completely miss the point. 7 warning signs. Now let's talk about the signs, because this is where it gets real. 1. Constant bloating. If your stomach feels bloated after almost every meal, that's not something you should ignore. A healthy digestive system should feel light, not heavy. But when your gut is struggling, you might notice tightness in your stomach, gas buildup, discomfort after eating. And over time, people normalize this feeling. They think, maybe this is just how my body works. But it's not. It's a signal. 2. Unexplained fatigue. Let's talk about energy. If you're sleeping, but still waking up tired, that's your body telling you something is off. Because energy doesn't just come from sleep. It comes from nutrient absorption, gut health, internal balance. If your body isn't absorbing nutrients properly, you'll feel drained no matter what you do. 3. Strong sugar cravings. This one is huge. If you constantly crave sugar, it's not always about willpower. Your body is responding to something. And when your system is out of balance, those cravings can feel intense. You eat sugar. You feel better temporarily. Then you crash. Then you crave more. It becomes a loop. And breaking that loop is key. 4. Brain fog. Ever feel like your brain just isn't working the way it should? You forget things. You lose focus. You feel mentally slow. That's brain fog. And it's one of the most overlooked signs your body is under stress. When your internal system is off, your mental clarity is affected. 5. Skin issues. Your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. If you're dealing with acne, rashes, irritation, it's not just a surface issue. It's often connected to your gut. Your body has ways of showing you when something isn't right. And your skin is one of them. 6. Sleep disturbances. If you're waking up in the middle of the night, or you don't feel rested when you wake up, that's not something to ignore. Your body does a lot of its internal work at night. And when something is off, your sleep is affected. 7. Irregular digestion. This is one of the clearest signs. If your digestion feels unpredictable, if you're switching between constipation and diarrhea, if your gut just doesn't feel stable, your system is out of balance. Now let's be clear, none of these signs alone mean you have parasites. But if you're experiencing multiple of these at the same time, your gut needs attention. The real root cause. Now here's where most people get it completely wrong, and this is the part that can either fix everything or keep you stuck in the same cycle. The moment people hear the word parasites, they immediately think, I need to kill them. And that's when things start going in the wrong direction. Because what do they do next? They jump into harsh cleanses, extreme detox protocols, random supplements they saw online, or some 7-day parasite cleanse that promises instant results. And for a moment, it feels like they're doing something productive. But here's the problem. They're focusing on the symptom, not the cause. They're trying to remove something without understanding why it was able to thrive in the first place. So let me ask you something. Why did this happen in the first place? Because parasites don't just take over a strong, balanced, healthy system. Your body is not weak by design. Your body is actually incredibly intelligent. It's constantly working to protect you, regulate itself, and maintain balance. But parasites and other imbalances tend to show up when something internally is already off. They thrive in weakened environments, inflamed guts, poor dietary conditions, chronic stress, and imbalanced gut bacteria. Think of it like this. If your body is a house, parasites are not the reason the house is falling apart. They're a sign that the foundation already has cracks. And if you ignore those cracks and just keep trying to remove the problem will keep coming back. This is why some people try cleanse after cleanse, supplement after supplement, and never feel fully better, because they never address the environment. So instead of focusing only on elimination, you need to shift your focus to something much more powerful. Creating a body where problems can't thrive. That means asking yourself better questions. Not, how do I kill parasites as fast as possible? But, how do I strengthen my gut? How do I reduce inflammation? How do I support my immune system? How do I create balance inside my body? Because when your internal environment is strong, your body becomes a place where imbalance struggles to survive. And that's the real goal. Not just temporary relief, but long-term stability. So ask yourself honestly, am I creating a body where problems can grow? Or am I creating a body that naturally protects itself? Because that one mindset shift changes everything. Natural support methods. Now let's talk about support. Not quick fixes, not magic pills. Just smart, supportive habits. Garlic is one example. It contains natural compounds that support gut balance. Oregano oil is another. It's often used to help maintain a healthy internal environment. Clove has been used traditionally to support digestion. Wormwood is sometimes included in herbal approaches, but should be used carefully. Apple cider vinegar may support digestion and stomach acid. But here's the key point. These are tools, not solutions. Your foundation matters more than anything else. Detox and internal support. Your body already detoxes naturally. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system are constantly working to keep you balanced. But they need support. And one of the simplest ways? Hydration. When you're properly hydrated, your digestion improves, your energy improves, your body functions better. And it sounds simple, but it's powerful. Small habits create big changes. when to see a doctor. Now this part is important. If you're experiencing severe symptoms, ongoing digestive problems, unexplained weight loss, or anything that feels off, don't guess. Get proper medical advice. Testing exists for a reason, and getting real answers is always better than guessing. So here's the bottom line. This isn't about fear. It's about awareness. It's about understanding your body and giving it what it needs to function properly. Because your body is not working against you. It's communicating with you. You just have to listen. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these signs surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see it. Until next time, stay aware, stay healthy, and take care of your gut.